What are some problems we encounter with assessment? First, there's the issue of quantity versus quality. Some instructors value the amount of work a learner does over the quality of that work. If someone writes a 20-page paper and it's mediocre, does that person deserve a better grade than the learner who wrote a 5-page paper that was excellent? Another problem is focusing too much on grading. Even when giving formative assessments, many educators will use that as an opportunity to talk about how their feedback will improve the final grade. The focus for assessment, particularly formative assessment, should be on learning and improving skills and knowledge, not on acing the course or acing the final. Another problem is attention to consequence. Again, this often addresses some of the same issues of the focus on grading. If you don't get this right, you'll fail the course, fail the block, flunk out of medical school, end up on the street, etc., etc. It puts too much focus on the consequences and not the process of learning. Another problem is very often formative assessment doesn't include enough feedback. It should go hand in glove with quality feedback. Often a grade is given with no feedback along the way. And finally, the use of peer reference. What is peer reference assessment? Well, it's sometimes called norm reference assessment. It's assessment based on a relative achievement within a given group, for example, grading on a curve. And we'll talk a little bit more about that in our discussion on grading.